welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at upscaling again. I'm going to be using Seed VR2. So let's load up default workflow from Seed VR2. Example workflows. I'm going to use a 4K. This is the 4K upscaler. I just run it. It's already got the image loaded from the assets folder, I guess, and it's going to upscale it. So that took 2 minutes 18 seconds for the first run, and it's upscaled this image to 4K. So how does it actually compare? Image comparer, RG3, I'll move this along. Look at the original over here, upscaled over there. Key prompt, and it should just fill this in. It has. Looks pretty good. But for some reason it doesn't always work as it should. So I've got some images ready to upscale, which I downloaded from Reddit. For example, this one. So we're going to upscale that to 4K again. So that's been upscaled, and I guess it gets rid of a lot of grain. Let me try something. That would take 1 minute 53. Now with the blocks to swap, I've got 16 gig of RAM. The most I can set that to is 30, or the lowest, before I run out of memory, and then I get OOM, out of memory errors. Let's try run this again. I just want to see how long it takes this time. We've got 1 minute 53 to beat. 1 minute 47. 6 seconds faster, and it's pretty much the same result. What I've noticed while I was testing was when you go from low res to 4K, immediately you get this sort of thing. Now what if I change this to just 1.5 times rather than 1.5? Will I see a big difference? I don't know which one is better, but we can actually compare this. Control C, Control Shift V, get rid of the resolution on this, connect this to this. Let's see if there's a difference between the original 4K upscale versus the 1.5 times the upscale. It's 496 by 3412. There is some difference. If you look at it, upscaling to a lower resolution first gives you more detail, or is it just me? Let's try a different image. Chappelle. That's a very small image, 230 by 345. So we've got 4K, and this should be roughly 1.5 times that, which is not a lot, probably 400 pixels. So comparing 4K upscale to 512 bytes. So this is 4K, 512. 4K looks good. Change that to say 2 or 4. Just rerun that again. Okay, the smoke Look at the smoke. That looks like real smoke. It's not always wise to upscale to 4K straight away. You lose some detail. Now, what if you wanted to upscale an entire folder? Anyway, let's put this in a group. And say we're only doing, say, ×2. I'm going to add another one. B. Move that here. Move this there. Get rid of this. What happened here? Okay. Okay. Let's start again. So we've got this. Ctrl+Shift+V, and that's connected all the parameters, and the image goes to there, and from here we'll take it to there. So now we got upscale this 345 by 2, then upscale I'm going to copy this again here. I'm going to take the output from here to there, and the width goes to resolution. So we're going to upscale this one by 2 times, then the output of this by 2 times, and set it to there. And then we're going to compare both. Image preview is preview image. Just want to double check what resolution the file is at. So let's add another node. This is a node I haven't uploaded to my repository yet. I'm going to use load image batch. There you go, that's the one. It'll be called, this one will be called gr file name. I'll upload it before I upload this video. So we're going to take the path from this and put it in a path. And last folder is going to go over here. Save image extended. Last folder goes into folder name, sorry, not folder name prefix. We can get rid of this because we don't need that. And we'll also do file name, say upscaled. CVR2. You take the custom to file name prefix. Get rid of the file name. Change this to 6. Should have defaulted to 6. I don't know why. So we're going to take this image. I'm going to add Q UEUE trigger. I'm going to put that in image. I'm going to add clean VRAM used. Join that to there, and then from there we're going to go to image, and from there we're going to go to image here. So this one is no longer required, and here The image we want is from here. So previously it wasn't even connected. I don't know what happened. But so now we've got a folder, and I have a path with a bunch of images called Ready to Upscale. And this is what's in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can get rid of this one. So we've got 7 files there. And we're going to upscale these. And it should go through each file in turn. That's the 7 files. It's going to continue trying to upscale. Okay, so it goes back to the beginning. So these are the upscaled images. You save with the custom. If you wanted to keep the same file name, what you can do from here, add it to file name keys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.